Dear students, in this presentation we will discuss about the hydrates of group 16 elements. Myself Dr. Digna Varghese. Contents: binary hydrates, structure, comparison of boiling point of hydrates, comparison of bond angle of hydrates. Hydrates of group 16 elements. Binary hydrates H2E. All the elements in group 16 form covalent hydrates of the type H2E, where E denotes oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium or polonium. Hydrates are the compounds that is derived from the oxygen family members react with hydrogen to form hydrates. First hydrate of this group is water, second one is hydrogen sulfide, third one is hydrogen selenide, fourth one is hydrogen telluride and hydrogen polonide. Hydrogen oxide or water is known as water is in the form of liquid, and the other hydrates of this group is toxic gases, that is extremely poisonous gases with revolting odors. Polonium hydrate or hydrogen polonide is not easy to work with because of its high radioactivity of polonium and its compounds. Hence it has only been prepared in trace quantities. Physical properties of hydrogen polonide are not definitely known. Structure of hydrates. The group 16 hydrates H2E are bent or angular in shape. Central atom E in H2E in the sp3 hybridized state, where E is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium or polonium, that is in the sp3 hybridized state. We know the hydrates are H2O, H2S, H2SC, H2TE and H2PO, and the central atom in water is oxygen, central atom in hydrogen sulfide is sulfur, central atom in hydrogen selenide is selenium, central atom in hydrogen telluride is tellurium, and for hydrogen polonide is polonium. And the outer electronic configuration of oxygen is 2s2 2p4, and for sulfur is 3s2 3p4, and for selenium 4s2 4p4, and for tellurium is 5s2 5p4, and for polonium 6s2 6p4. The general outer electronic configuration is ns2 np4. We know the ns2 is in the filled state and np4 is in the partially filled state, in which two orbitals, p orbitals, are in the half filled state, to which the hydrogen 1s orbital is overlapping to form covalent bonds with two hydrogen atoms, here forming two covalent bonds, and the structure is like this. E is the central atom. There is two lone pairs of electrons, that is from the s orbital and from the p orbitals. These 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals are hybridized to form sp3 hybridized state, that is the structure. The shape of the molecule is bent or angular, and it have the central atom has two lone pairs and two bond pairs. The bond pair is formed by the overlapping of the 1s orbital of the hydrogen atom and p orbital of the np orbital of the corresponding central atom, and forming the bent or angular structure. So the hybridization of hydrates is sp3 hybridized state. Bond angle of hydrates. We know the shape of the molecule is bent or angular, and the hybridization is sp3 hybridization. In each two of the sp3 hybrid orbitals form sigma bonds with two hydrogen atoms, while the third and fourth sp3 hybrid orbitals accommodate lone pairs of electrons. In these different hydrides, the HEH bond angle differ in varying degrees from tetrahedral angle of 109 degree 28 minutes because the magnitude of valence shell electron pair repulsions are in the order lone pair repulsion is higher than lone pair bond pair repulsion, which is always higher than that of the bond pair repulsions. We know the hydrides, different hydrides are shown in this table, that is water, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen selenide, hydrogen telluride, hydrogen polonide, and the central atom corresponding to water is oxygen, and for hydrogen sulfide sulfur, and hydrogen selenide selenium, and for hydrogen telluride tellurium, and for hydrogen polonide is polonium, and the bond angle corresponding to water is 104.5 degree, and for hydrogen sulfide 92.1 degree, and for hydrogen selenide 91 degree, and for hydrogen telluride 90 degree, and for hydrogen polonide 88 degree. Bond angle is decreases on moving down the group, that is from water to hydrogen polonide the bond angle is decreases, that is from 104.5 degree to 88 degree. Why? On moving down the group, the size of the central atom, that is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, the size increases because in each shell, as the atomic number increases, number of shells always increasing, and therefore the size of the atom increases. But the electronegativity is decreases. Electronegativity is the reverse order of the size of the atom. That is, electronegativity is maximum for oxygen and least for polonium. That is, maximum electronegativity value for oxygen is 3.5 and for polonium it is 2. So on moving down the group, the bond angle is decreases, that is the electronegativity of the oxygen atom is higher than the other elements in the hydrides. Therefore the electrons are more closer to the central atom, that is oxygen. So the electrons moving more towards the oxygen atom. Therefore the repulsion is greater here, and therefore the bond angle is higher in the case of water. But in the case of polonium, it is almost closer to the hydrogen. Hydrogen electronegativity value is 2.1 and for polonium it is about 2. Therefore it is more towards the hydrogen atom, the bond pair more towards the hydrogen atom in the case of hydrogen polonide. Therefore the bond angle is decreasing. Boiling point of hydrides. Boiling point, we can see from this table the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, hydrogen sulfate minus 16.31 degrees Celsius, hydrogen selenide minus 41.3 degrees Celsius, and for hydrogen telluride minus 2.3 degrees Celsius. The boiling point is decreases down the group from water to hydrogen telluride. Due to the high electronegativity difference between oxygen and hydrogen, we know the electronegativity of oxygen is about 3.5 and for hydrogen it is 2.1. Hydrogen, therefore there is high electronegativity difference between hydrogen and oxygen. So OH bond is polar, and the association of water molecules in the liquid state by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bond is a bond exists between two atoms. One should be hydrogen and the other atom is a high electronegative element. So here between oxygen and hydrogen there can be form hydrogen bonds. Therefore hydrogen bonding in water, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, that is from one molecule of water can be attracted or bonded by hydrogen bonds to the two hydrogen neighboring or adjacent hydrogen atoms. Sulfur, in the case of electronegativity value of sulfur is 2.5, and for selenium it is about 2.4, and for tellurium it is 2.1. Therefore when compared to hydrogen the value is not much higher. Therefore the bond SH, SCH and TH are much less polar bonds when compared to OH bond. Therefore there is no intermolecular hydrogen bonding in hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen selenide and hydrogen telluride. So the boiling point of these hydrates is lower than that of water. So water exists as a liquid by this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, while others are gases. These gases are highly toxic. Boiling point increases gradually from sulfur to tellurium, hydrates of sulfur to tellurium, because the molecular size of the central atom, that is from sulfur to tellurium, is increasing. Therefore the van der Waals force between the molecules is also increasing. Therefore the boiling point increases from hydrogen sulfide to hydrogen telluride. Thank you for your attention and interest.